To the chance for some stronger storms to snow. So we've got a little bit of everything over the next couple of days, but that's why we want to first alert you to stuff that's going to impact you the most. The rain moves in late Tuesday night. We'll have a little bit of a break during the morning hours Wednesday. Then another round with this whopper of a storm system. This is going to impact much of the country here. It's going to be swinging through. Biggest concern here will be gusty winds, a few rumbles of thunder with a strong storm or two that could develop. Right now, the timing looks to be later in the morning, but we're watching things very carefully to see if that could change through the afternoon hours. But obviously, that could lead to travel impacts. We get a lot of rain in a short amount of time, localized flooding, things like that. So that'll be the one to watch here over the next few days. Today will be, again, typical March day. Sunshine to start, which is nice. You just saw it out there from our First Alert camera network. We'll be in the low to mid 40s through the afternoon. Tomorrow during the day will be warmer, not too bad. Highs will be around 50. We'll have a little less sunshine out there, more clouds moving in. And then by Wednesday, that's when we're tracking our next system. It's going to bring all the changes. We've got some cloud cover out to our west right now. A few systems, a few areas, I should say, not a few systems, a few areas of light snow trying to fall outside of Toledo, but none of that making it to the ground. For the most part, we're staying dry with clouds moving in as we head through the afternoon today. A nice wind out the south and southwest here. So notice the cloud cover starts to build up a little bit more through the afternoon hours. That's where temperatures will be in the mid 40s. Across the board, most of us will be around that 40-degree mark. And again, that's right around where we should be for this time of year for the first week of March. But right where we should be is not where we will be for the rest of the week. Coming up, I'm going to break down Wednesday's storm threat, then I'll walk you through the snow chances for the end of the week. Once we get to March, any day we see the sun, even if it's cold, we'll take it, right? Because we've had so many days in a row of just a lot of cloud cover. So we'll take the sunshine. This is, again, a normal temperature for this time of the year to be in the 40s in the afternoon. Looking ahead, though, again, we're warming up tomorrow ahead of our next whopper of a system that's going to bring showers and rumbles of thunder, which is why we've issued that 19 First Alert weather day. Here's the latest. This is our severe storm risk. It's listed out of a 1 out of 5 risk, 1 being the lowest, but not 0. It means a storm or two that fires up Wednesday could be on the stronger side. Biggest concern is going to be for gusty winds with any of the storms that do pop up. And again, right now the timing looks to be after the morning rush. We're going to be watching for a break, and depending how long we get of a break, we could juice up the atmosphere a little bit. So that's something we're going to be watching. We will have a lot of rain, though, overnight Tuesday before we get into early Wednesday morning. That's the latest on the alert day heading through today. Again, we're not expecting anything too much in terms of the rain and snow department. Things are nice and quiet right now. When I walk you through future view hour by hour, this is 11 o'clock this morning. See, we're getting close to that 40-degree mark. A few of those clouds are going to start to build in from the west. It's trying to put in a shower or two, but again, we're going to stay dry through the afternoon and evening today. Dinner time temperatures will be right around 40. It's trying to bring in a little light burst to mix overnight, but overall, anything that falls will be pretty low impact. Morning, trying to bring in a shower or two, but overall, we should be dry during the day. Much warmer by this time tomorrow. We'll be waking up to warmer temps with the clouds moving in and that stronger south wind. So by 9 o'clock tomorrow, we're going to be in the mid 40s. It'll be about 20 degrees warmer at this time tomorrow and still dry. So notice here, most of the rain stays away from the area through the morning and afternoon hours. It won't be until you head off to bed into early Wednesday morning that we'll get that first round of rain. And again, here is not where we're expecting the severe weather. It's going to be with the next round that develops as we head through the second part of the day on Wednesday here. But again, timing is something we'll keep first alerting you on as we get closer there to Wednesday. But we do know late morning right now, it looks like that's when we could see a strong storm or two. Again, we're not expecting an outbreak, but we've got some of the energy. We've got a real potent storm system. What's great is after that, we've got snow. Temperatures are going to drop dramatically because this is a pretty big system, so we're going to get cold air funneling in from the north. That'll bring snow and wind around, and then a little bit of wintry mix. So we try to warm back up before we're knocked back down again heading into the weekend. Still staying very unsettled with the chance for a few more snowflakes before we're back to more seasonable weather by the end of the weekend.